everyone, it's Erin with Community Influencer, and I want to show you inside of the November content vault. So come follow me. All right, so inside the learning portal, you're just going to come and scroll down and click where it says social media templates. And then you'll see here that we have November challenges and prizes. We have some really fun things happening in the group. If you're not a group member, come and join us. Once you scroll all the way down, you're just going to go to where it says November Content Vault, and let me show you what's inside. So there will be a quick little video here, which will be this one that we're going to upload right now. And when you come down, you're going to see that we have the November Content Planner. So if I click on this, we have 30 days of content planned, ready for you to go. And we plan this all together on a 1-hour call. And that call is going to be happening tomorrow on the 26th. And so we'll go ahead and plan all of this out together in one fell swoop. And then once you have your content planner already planned out, you're going to go to where it says Square Templates. Let me show you what those are going to look like. So we actually have all of these templates that are ready for you to go, and I'll show you all of them at once. So here they are in a grid view. This is what we're known for. So let me just give you a quick little preview. These are all of the templates that you get for November, and we show you again how to plan all of them out. And even if we click on one of them, like let me just show you on one of the real estate ones, if you click on it, and you click on the slide in Canva and you click notes, we even give you the exact copy that you need, or you can throw this into ChatGPT and create a brand new set of copy all on your own. So that's really, really fun. Then we also have the stories templates. So let me show you what those look like real fast. They actually match the Square templates. So let me open this up and show you what that looks like. So you can see that they look very, very similar to the other ones that we just saw. And these are stories. So stories are great for engaging with your current audiences. And you can put links in here. You can mention local businesses. You can mention sites on your website, all of those things. So they're really, really cute and we love them. We also have Reels. So let me just show you what that looks like real fast. I'll give you a brief overview. So if I open this up, well, actually, I'll just scroll down here so you can see them all. So we give you some prompts. These can be faceless, so you actually don't have to be on the Reels. These are great for like 15-second videos of you just doing something. And again, this is for November. So we have a lot of things about being grateful and Thanksgiving and all of those things. So you can basically just put some text and then put anything that you want in the caption, right? So you can just, like put a stock video like we have here. You can put a 15-second video of yourself doing something, and then you just change the text, and then all the rest of the information would be in the caption, and we tell them read the caption below for details. So that's really, really easy. And then alternatively, if you want to do your own Reels, which is what we do, and we see a lot of traction from those, we give you a set of Reels ideas. So let me show you what that looks like. So all you have to do is scroll down and it becomes a Google Doc, and all you have to do is you can see the table of contents that we have right here of what we include for the month. And for these ones, we basically use the same ones over and over. They work so well for us that we literally just follow this script every single Tuesday to create our Reels, and we give you everything that you need. So all of the scripts, all of the ideas, all you have to do is just fill in the blanks and make it your own. So that's awesome. And then we also give you horizontal video scripts for YouTube as well. So let me show you what that looks like. So these ones swap out every single month, and these are all custom written by me so that you guys have the exact strategy to get leads from all of your YouTube videos. So like for this month, it's do open houses still work? Winter home maintenance tips. And again, these are designed for you to get leads off of all of these things. So these are exact scripts, and you can throw these into ChatGPT as well to kind of reformat them, make them your own, however you want to do that. So we give you these scripts also. And then one of the cool things that I love is we also include some November pop by ideas. So our members, one of our members requested this, and it was such a great idea, and we decided to implement it for you guys because It's so cute and so awesome. So here are all of the pop by ideas that we recommend for November. So we give you a picture of what the idea is along with the links where you can buy them and put them together. We have DIY pop by ideas, and we also have ones that you can purchase if you're feeling fancy, and they're really, really cute, and we absolutely love them, and our members love them too. And then finally, if you're looking for a little bit of inspiration on how other people have done their videos, we do include a link to the video swipe file. So in our video course, we include lots and lots of videos of people from like Reels and YouTube videos from successful realtors, from our real estate team, from members in our club, and also in our academy. And so you can get a little bit of inspiration on how they're doing it. We also include lots of tutorials on how to edit your videos, all of those fun things too. So that's in here for you as well if you need a little bit of inspiration. So that's it for November. Make sure to come and join us on the planning call. So again, it happens in 22 hours. I can see that right here at the top of my screen. So I'll see you guys in just a few hours on our next planning call for November. And I look forward to planning all of our content together in just 1 hour for the entire month. Happy posting!